What's up, man? Here's one important thing that I want to share with you, along with one important thing. Okay? So now here's the thing. Here's the thing. Why I love Ty Lopez. This guy is amazing. This dude is amazing. You have to check it out on his website, tylopez.com. Okay? So I'll come to that part later. But today I want to show you one thing that is super important, super amazing, and you can really deep dive into it and just go and boom. Let me share it. Let me share it with you. Okay? I'm gonna take you step by step through all the process, all the systems, all of it, what you can offer as a service to other business owners, or you can even do your own business. Okay? So here's the thing. Here's the thing. Here are all these steps that I have written. Again, I'm sorry. Again, it's upside down. But okay, let me take you through it. So number one thing, what he's saying is, if you own an agency or if you want to grow as an agency, what you can do is you can just simply check out all the products, all the information products, digital products, physical products, services which other people are offering. You can just go on Google and type in like supplements, okay, supplements, and then once you type the supplements, what you need to do is go to the website, at least the first page of Google, and then go on and check all the problems that those e-commerce websites, service-based business websites, and courses and information products have got. So here's a list of problems that they may have, and you can find them out and then pitch them your services and take them through those steps. Okay, so here's the thing. Problem number one could be these websites are not navigatable. Okay, problem number two could be these websites are very slow. Problem number three could be they don't have an email list or an SMS list, so they are leaving money on the table. Number four could be they have crappy marketing. They suck at marketing. So all these points, okay, you note them down. You write on Google document, or you just hard copy it. Okay. Then what you need to do is then you need to go to their email, or you need to pitch them on phone. Okay. So hi, whatever, but don't pitch your services at the first call or at the first email, because here's the cool thing. What Ty Lopez is saying is, and this is, by the way, I've also listened and read it on multiple times, that one business owner or one person takes at least 7 or at least 5 to 30 conversations to convert from a single person to your client. Okay, so here's the steps. He is going through those. Okay, so you cannot go in and just pitch him right away. You can, what you can offer is, and here's the cool thing, what Tyler is saying is, you can offer the business owner a free book related to his industry and the problems and their solutions. Okay, what he has got in his website, his product, his service, and how he can generate more revenue. You can write a free short notebook, short PDF ebook, and then offer him for free of course, so that builds a relationship. Okay, and then you can come in and say, hi, I can offer you this. Okay, your note down the problems and then give them solution for free of cost. You are not charging anything. Here's the cool thing, what it will eventually, it will grow as a relationship, and then you can get permanently hired. Okay, so there are a lot of business owners, millions of them outside, and they are not they're leaving money on the table. So you can come up as a solution to them and offer them their services. And what amazing thing, and here's my takeaway from this, what you can also do is you can also patch already already agencies who are providing services and the customers, and then you can patch them. So you are the middleman. You come, you jump in, and then what you do is you patch them up. You patch the two parties together. This is a great business model, by the way. Then another thing that Ty Lopez is saying is, what you can do is you can create a referral based business model. Okay, so once you get 3 to 5 customers, 3 to 5 clients, then what you can do is you don't need more clients, you don't need to find them manually. What you can do is you can create a referral based model, and then what you have to do is you have to tell the client, so hey Mr. Prospect, hey Mr. Client, so here I am doing doing great services, doing good job for you. For it's been a couple of months, and now I thought maybe you could bring me someone, your friend or your customer or your family member or your friend who could who could be a good who could potentially be finding someone. So may I give you a referral and work with him. So eventually what it does is you have to go and find the business owners, product owners who have a problem in their products or services or information products or digital products. Then you can patch, another thing is you can patch them up, the customer and the agency, and you come as a middleman. The third thing is you create a referral based business model. So these are all amazing nuggets. What you have to do is you have to just go to tileoffice.com and just go to tileoffice.com, go to his 300 frameworks course, go to his previous live calls vault, and just open his amazing sessions. You need to do this. Okay, you need to do this. You must do it in order to find new ideas, in order to create income for yourself and your family and other people.